Principal Sir, other faculty members, my dear seniors and juniors, good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you in today's morning assembly. I, Lavesh Thakur, in school, captain of Eco, will empower students to participate and take up meaningful environmental activities and projects. It is a forum through which students can reach out to influence, engage their parents and neighborhood communities to promote and sound environmental behavior. Now, I would like to invite Uzmara from class 12th to come and command today's morning assembly. Thank you.
Prayer Sadhan, Prayer Vishram, Prayer Sadhan, Prayer Vishram, Prayer Sadhan, Prayer Vishram. Prayer position.
Before going to start today's morning assembly, I am going to say you the importance of morning assembly. The morning assembly in school starts the day on a cool and calm note, a short breather before the hectic school day begins with classes, courses and extracurricular activities swamping our time. It offers a moment of reflection before the working day begins. The school community meets together and assembly becomes a medium of communicating matters of significance to each other. The morning assembly is a time when the whole school assembles in the ground, prays together, share information and begins the day jointly. Now I would like to invite Simran Thakur from class 11th, Nirjala Thakur from class 10th, Kumkum Kotwal from class 10th to come and
दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना हम चले इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम जितनी भी दे भरी जिंदगी दे हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे आराम से बेर होना किसी का किसी से भावना मन में बदले की होना हम चले लेना बेर होना किसी का किसी से भावना मन में बदले की होना हम चले नेक रस्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है हर पल। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है हर पल। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। आराम से। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। इतनी शक्ति इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। बस इतनी शक्ति आराम से। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties. As the representative of Eco Club, we would take pledge on the conservation of environment. As a human being, the environment we exist in plays a very important role in the well-being of every life possible on this earth, and it is our duty to preserve and keep everything in check. For pledge, I request Amandeep Pariyar from class 11th to come on dais and start the pledge. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Amandeep Pariyar, student of class 11th. For pledge, please stretch your hands forward. I pledge to take the initiative in keeping the surrounding neat and clean. I pledge to plant more and more trees. I pledge to follow 3R's principle. I pledge to save environment by reducing pollution. I pledge to educate people about environment. I pledge to replace polythene bags with eco-friendly bags. Thank you.
News plays an important role in our life and we becomes aware about the day-to-day happenings. So, I would like to invite Shwarni Raina from class 11th to present today's Hindi news. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मैं शिवानी रैना कक्षा 11वीं की छात्रा आपके सामने आज के मुख्य समाचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। आशा है कि आप ध्यानपूर्वक से सुनेंगे। शोपियां मुठभेड़ में सुरक्षा कर्मियों ने एक आतंकवादी को किया ढेर। मुठभेड़ में एक जवान भी घायल। महबूबा मुफ्ती ने जम्मू में ताकत दिखाने का किया आह्वान। 15 अक्टूबर से पहले जम्मू शहर में महारैली करने का किया ऐलान। डोडा जिले में गाड़ी खाई में गिरने से 2 की मौत। सरकार ने यूटी लेवल के आईएसएससी कमेटी को दी मंजूरी। आईटी डिपार्टमेंट के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेक्रेटरी होंगे इसके चेयरपर्सन। थैंक यू।
There is a graded vocabulary in our education system. Let us upgrade our vocabulary by adding a new word to it. For new word, I would like to invite Bhumika Pariyar from class 11th on dais. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Aditya Thakur from class 11th to speak on bitter root.
मैं आदित्य ठाकुर कक्षा 11वीं का छात्र आपके सामने कड़वा सच पेश करना चाहता हूँ। सांप घर पर आ जाए तो लोग डंडे से मारते हैं। सांप घर पर आ जाए तो लोग डंडे से मारते हैं और शूलिंग पर दिखाई दे तो हाथ जोड़ते हैं, दूध पिलाते हैं। लोग समान आपका नहीं, आपके स्थान और स्थिति का करते हैं। थैंक यू।
For your kind information, Government of Jammu and Kashmir School Education Department JKUT is celebrating 153rd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi in JKUT with full esteem by involving students and teachers for month-long following calendar of activities from 5th September to 2nd October 2022. Let us pay tributes to Gandhi ji by presenting an event on Dandi March. Thank you.
डालने यहाँ पे।
राय सर तो चलो जरा फोन तो चल हाँ तो चलो वर्क साइड वहाँ पर नहीं
पॉइंटेड हो रहा है।
वंदे 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 भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की। Now I would like to invite Kumkum Kotwal on dais to present the poem on Dandi March.
I, Kumkum Kotwal, student of class 10, will recite a poem on Dandi March. The Dandi March, the march of 80, stick in hand, glasses to see, fighting for our land, Swaraj to guarantee. The march of 80, stick in hand, glasses to see, fighting for our land, Swaraj to guarantee. The march of 80, so glorious to see, the march of 80, so glorious to see. With each step he took, the white government shook. With each step he took, the white government shook. Is Satyagraha serene, a slap on British mean. Is Satyagraha serene, a slap on British mean. The march of 80, so glorious to see, the march of 80, so glorious to see. From Sabarmati to Dandi, marched Naidu and Gandhi. From Sabarmati to Dandi, marched Naidu and Gandhi. Breaking and boiling silver lumps of salt, breaking and boiling silver lumps of salt, aching yet toiling against British assault, aching yet toiling against British assault. The march of 80, so glorious to see, the march of 80, so glorious to see. Without air and water can life be, without air and water can life be, without salt just slaughter, no man to see. Without salt just slaughter, no man to see. Our rights you can't confiscate, our rights you can't confiscate, and expect us to sit and not to retaliate, and expect us to sit and not to retaliate. To blood, love preferred, from peace, truth inferred. To blood, love preferred, from peace, truth inferred. Its flame lighting our way, those brave never led astray. Its flame lighting our way, and those brave never led astray. And then their feet clapped, and then their feet clapped, and the flag they carried flapped, and the flag they carried flapped. But the British still sleeping, but the British still sleeping, fruits of ignorance reaping, fruits of ignorance reaping. The silence of scream, the silence of scream, the pan in its eye, the gut-wrenching stream of blood trickling by the whack of rod. The death by the cord, the death by the cord. Limbs twisted with agony, limbs twisted with agony, shrieks fired with misery, shrieks fired with misery. Broken yet believing, linking wants still grieving, linking wants still grieving. Yet they stood tall to sacrifice their all, yet they stood tall to sacrifice their all. And when their rights plundered, and when their rights plundered, their soft step thundered, their soft step thundered. And when their rights plundered, their soft step thundered. And then the beasts wondered, and then the beast wonders if their guides blundered, and if their guides blundered. On 16th April, a wondrous morn, on 16th April, a wondrous morn, victory trumping on this beautiful dawn, victory trumping on this beautiful dawn. From Sabarmati to Dandi, from Sabarmati to Dandi, marched Naidu and Gandhi, marched Naidu and Gandhi. The march of 80, so glorious to see, the march of 80, so
महात्मा
glorious.
गांधी ने 12 मार्च 1930 में अहमदाबाद के पास स्थित साबरमती आश्रम से दांडी गांव तक 24 दिन तक पैदल मार्च निकाला था। गांधी जी ने अपने 78 सेवा के साथ साबरमती आश्रम से 358 किलोमीटर दूर स्थित दांडी के लिए प्रस्थान किया। कानून भंग करने के बाद सेवकों को अंग्रेजों की लाठियां खानी पड़ी, लेकिन पीछे नहीं मुड़े थे। इस आंदोलन में कई नेताओं को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया, इनमें पंडित नेहरू जैसे नेता शामिल थे। इसमें 8000 भारतीयों को नमक सत्याग्रह के दौरान जेल में डाल दिया गया था। लगभग 24 दिन बाद 6 अप्रैल 1930 को दांडी पहुंचकर उन्होंने समुद्री तट पर नमक कानून को तोड़ा। यह आंदोलन पूरे एक साल तक चला और 1931 को गांधी इरविन के बीच हुए समझौते से खत्म हो गया। इस आंदोलन में संपूर्ण देश में अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ व्यापक जन संघर्ष को जन्म दिया था।
Lecturers, other teachers, and my dear seniors and juniors. Very good morning to all of you. Myself Nirjala Thakur, student of class 10th. Today's my topic is on Dandi March. I hope you will listen with keen interest. 12th March of 1930 is a significant day in India's history. On this day, Dandi March was started. Dandi March is also known as salt satyagrah or namak satyagrah. This march was started by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and his co-workers. A total of 360 kilometer distance was covered during the Dandi March. This movement is also regarded or known as civil disobedience movement. Dandi March was started from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, which is located in Navsari, Gujarat. This step was taken up to oppose the tax over salt by Britishers over Indians. The salt satyagrah is also as a wide flowing river. The campaign was run by people wearing white khadi and they participate in march. Thank you for giving me opportunity to say a few lines on Dandi March.
The national anthem underlines the importance of India as a diverse nation. It signifies that despite differences in culture, tradition, religion and language, India is united under one flag. I would like to invite Pratibha and party to come on dais and start.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलज तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now with these words we conclude today's morning assembly. Thank you.